Running on AWS? Then like 61% of other users, you might also be struggling with backup and recovery of your cloud workloads. Veeam Backup for AWS delivers a powerful AWS backup and disaster recovery solution that enables you to overcome the risk of any cloud data loss, and unlike other solutions, won't break your cloud budget. Deployment is quick and easy. Through the AWS Marketplace, you can start backing up in minutes. Policy-based automation is built in throughout for effortless scheduling and management of AWS-native snapshots, giving you frequent recovery points down to just minutes. And recovery is lightning fast, with flexible, full and file-level restore options within AWS or even to your own private cloud. Unexpected costs getting you down each month? Eliminate surprise charges with the industry's first backup cost calculator, letting you proactively understand and control your expenses while still hitting SLAs. Automated backup to Amazon S3 also helps you be more cost-effective with long-term retention and compliance. And if you're maintaining hybrid cloud infrastructure, Veeam's portable backup format enables complete cloud mobility, including backup, recovery, and migration across a multi-cloud environment. Start protecting your AWS data today by visiting veeam.com or the AWS Marketplace. You can even back up for free up to 10 EC2 instances.